Sadiq Khan's time as Mayor of London has been defined by policies focused on air quality, transport affordability, and housing. Here is an overview of his key achievements across major policy areas. Key achievements of Sadiq Khan as Mayor of London: 1. Air quality and environment, the Green Agenda. His most high profile achievements have been in tackling air pollution, ultra low emission zone, ULEZ. He introduced and expanded the ULEZ, creating the world's largest clean air zone. This policy charges the most polluting vehicles to drive in London, which has resulted in a significant reduction of toxic air pollution in the central area. Green Transport, overseeing the rapid expansion of London's electric and hydrogen bus fleet, making it one of the largest zero-emission bus fleets in Europe. Green spaces, planting over 500,000 trees and creating or restoring significant habitat area for wildlife. 2. Transport affordability and infrastructure. Managing transport for London, TfL, has been a central part of his mayoralty. The Hopper fare, introducing the popular Hopper bus fare, which allows passengers to make unlimited bus and tram journeys within 1 hour for the price of a single fare. Fares freeze, implementing multiple freezes on transport for London, TfL, fares to help Londoners with the cost of living. Night Tube and Elizabeth Line, getting major infrastructure projects fully operational, including the Night Tube expansion and the completion and opening of the Elizabeth Line, Crossrail. Cycling infrastructure, delivering a five-fold increase in protected cycle lanes across the city to encourage cycling and walking. 3. Housing and homelessness. Khan has prioritized increasing the building of genuinely affordable homes. Council housing, overseeing what he terms a golden era of council house building, starting more council homes than at any time since the 1970s. Affordable housing, delivering record numbers of affordable homes for Londoners. Rough sleeping, quadrupling the City Hall rough sleeping budget to help get vulnerable people off the streets, and delivering dedicated homes for rough sleepers. 4. Safety and Social Initiatives. Violence Reduction Unit, VRU, establishing the UK's first VRU, which adopts a public health approach to tackling violence, aiming to address the root causes of crime. Free school meals, implementing universal free school meals for all state primary school children in London for a period, helping families with the cost of living. Youth opportunities, providing hundreds of thousands of positive opportunities for young Londoners through youth services investment to help steer them away